Hi guys, I'm Alicia. Before I get started beading, I wanted to show you some of my nail polishes real quick because a lot of you have been asking me about them. In my last video, I wore these two. I had this one as like the base coat and then I put this one over top. This is L'Oreal Paris Fleur de Lis number 330 and this is Sally Hansen HD number 10 LCD. This is Sally Hansen HD also number 16 laser. This is HD as well. This one is called Wavelength number 11. This one is HD too. It's called Bite number 9. And this one is also HD and it's called Hue number 12. So these are the nail polishes that a lot of you have been commenting on. That's all of them that I have so far of the line. So there they are, and I'm going to start showing you how to do something with beading now. Alright, I was asked to show how to make a button ring using a button with a bail instead of a 4-hole button like I showed in my beaded button ring tutorial. So it's not that much different. The only thing that's different is just the base for the button, and then everything else is the same as my beaded button ring tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm using some crazy colors here so you could see what's going on. I'm going to take my red string and I'm going to pick up a black, 2 blues, 2 blacks, 2 blues, just like that. I'm going to take my black string and go through my bail or my shank. My button shank, and then I'm going to pick up 1 black sea bead and cross through there. Slide that bead down and we should have this. Just like that. I'm going to take my black string, which is exiting this way, and this is exiting towards the button shank, and I'm going to pick up 2 blue, 2 black. You don't have to do all these colors. I'm just showing it this way so you can easily see how many sea beads I'm using and stuff. So 2 blue, 2 black, and 1 black. I'm going to take my red string and pick up a red seed bead. Now I only have 2 of these because I wanted you to see what this seed bead is for. This red seed bead is going to fill in this hole from our button shank because our button shank is so large, and I found that if I put this bead in there it will keep the shape of the button more, so it's more square, so when you go to do the ring it'll be more organized. So I slid my red seed bead on there, and I'm not going to cross through that one. I'm going to cross through the black seed bead that I picked up on my black string. Cross through it, bring it down. And now it should look like this. So I have a string that is coming this way, away from the button, and then I have one that's pointing towards the center of the button. I'm going to take the one in the center, my black, is my black string. I'm going to take it and go through this button shank, just like that. And we're repositioning our string. And now I'm going to take my red string and pick up 2 blue, 2 black, 2 blue, pick up a black, and cross through that. Bring it down. And now we should have this. I'm going to take my string right here. It's my red string, and I'm going to pick up my red seed bead, and I'm going to go through this black seed bead right here. just the black. And if you pull it and look, the red seed beads that we just added are filling in the button shank holes. So that's why I did it like that, because it makes the ring more square. So both of my strings are exiting out of black seed beads right here. I'm going to take both of my strings and pick up 2 blue, and then I'm going to pick up 2 black and cross through them. Pull it down. Straighten it up. And it should look just like that. So you're just going to continue on. You're going to pick up, just as you would if you were doing the other ring with 4 holes, a seed bead, your round bead, a seed bead, and you would go through the next 2 seed beads over here. Just like that. A seed bead, your round bead, seed bead, and go through the 2 seed beads over here on this side. Pull it snug and swap to your other string. Pick up a seed bead, your round bead, seed bead, and go through these 2 seed beads over here, the black ones. Both of your strings should be exiting like this. And now I'm going to pick up on both strings 1 seed bead, 1 11 knot, and then a round bead, and cross through that. And now we're ready to add the rest for the ring. So if you haven't made this ring yet, go to my tutorial that shows you how to make the whole thing. I'm just showing you how to do it with a shank button here. So it's in my channel if you haven't seen it, or I'll post a link below the video so you can just go to that link to find it easier. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you if you want to learn how to make it with a shank button. I hope that you understood this. Thanks a lot, guys.